Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ability of Headless Horseman in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Halloween event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got this Headless Horseman from hatching the spooky egg. If you want to get this pet, you need to have spooky egg first that you can buy from the Halloween market. The Halloween market will appear every hour right here, and then you can buy the spooky egg from the Halloween market. Okay, and then you will have 0.5% possibility to get this Headless Horseman. Okay, and then I'm going to place it on my garden. And then now let's check the ability of this Headless Horseman. I'm going to view it. Okay, and basically you can give your fruits mutation, and it can give some mutation. For example, the nightmare mutation, and then spectral, and then the soul flame, dreadbound, and yeah, it's so OP I think. And it's a prismatic pet guys. So you will be so lucky if you get this pet from hatching the spooky egg. Okay guys, and that's all the review of this Headless Horseman in Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!